What is Password Manager Autofill?
A Password Manager Autofill allows you to automatically enter your usernames and passwords into websites and apps. Instead of typing or remembering your logins, a Password Manager securely fills them in for you. This not only saves time, but also encourages the use of strong, unique passwords for every account, making your online experience both safer and more convenient.
Setting up autofill on your computer.
To use autofill on your desktop, first install your chosen Password Manager application or browser extension. After creating an account and importing your passwords, enable the autofill feature in the settings. Many password managers integrate with browsers, automatically detecting login forms and offering to fill in your credentials. Always use a strong master password and enable two-factor authentication for added security.
Using autofill on mobile devices.
On mobile devices, download your Password Manager app from the official App Store. Set it as your device's autofill service in the device settings. The Password Manager will then be able to fill in usernames and passwords across websites and apps. Make sure your phone is secured with a PIN, fingerprint, or face unlock for extra protection when using autofill.
Security tips for safe autofill.
Always lock your Password Manager when not in use. Avoid sharing your master password and be cautious of phishing sites that imitate real login pages. Review which apps or websites have permission to use autofill. Stay updated with your Password Manager's latest security features and regularly check for software updates to protect against vulnerabilities.
Troubleshooting and best practices.
If autofill isn't working, check that the feature is enabled in both your Password Manager and device settings. If a site doesn't allow autofill, consider copying credentials manually from the Password Manager. Regularly review your saved logins and remove outdated or unused accounts. Following these best practices will ensure a smooth and secure experience across all your devices.